So what a crap, Chicken Pumpkin Mickey Dub, but you already knew that. And today, friends, we're watching the legendary, the iconic, my best friends, Tillybirds. So Tillybirds, if you're watching, hey, how you going? And let me tell you one thing, they're never a waste of time. I would actually go out of my way, and I have, to spend more time with them. So friends, subscribe if you love having fun, but let's watch a bit of Tillybirds. So let's go.
Can I do
Oh.
what's left for a time bomb to choose and
Oh.
to count down our time to the end, knowing what we've been through? Tell me now, isn't that cruel?
Oh, they'll have a time.
You hope for the best while I'm waiting for less. Such a beautiful mess, tell me how time will allow us not to take our final bow.
Oh, Milo.
Just before the night escapes us,
Oh.
waiting for the waves to take us. Let me look in your eyes. Your smile's always been mine.
Oh.
Since I look back, waiting for the screen to turn black. If I could ever rewind,
Bird's time is less than everybody else's.
know that we were never a waste of time.
Oh, the lyrics for this are so nice. I always loves third voice. Like, I so love Until Then. Like, even though that song's like, what, 2 years old? Like, I still love that song. Like, I love every style of Tillybird song. Like, they're so, like, their range is so much, right? But this is just,
Giving all the wrong signs, dead ends when we took drives, kept on trying just to stop trying. Tired of always being so tired. We had it all, can't
You really have to hold on to your loved ones because you never know when you won't have them anymore.
when your eyes tell me no. You can't decide no sense of time and flow. Just had to let go. The scars are so perfectly placed. The memories fade but remain. With your hand in mine.
Is this like a fuse, like for a bomb or something?
It's like just one damn soul. Just before
Oh.
it escapes us, waiting for the waves to take us. Let me
Oh.
look in your
See, this is what I love about Tillybirds. They actually have representation. Like, even in Just Being Friendly, right? They actually have I just said the word and I forgot it. Representation for like lesbians. Because like I said this in the last video, like there's just not enough lesbian representation in media. There's always like BL dramas and gay things, but like I feel like Tillybird shines a light on so many things that, you know, they don't talk about in the media as much.
eyes. Your smile's
Whoa.
just before this ends, I look back, waiting for the
Oh, I love Third so much. So
if I could ever rewind.
I don't want Third to explode.
We were never a waste of
Oh. Oh. They're not exploding, but each one is like, you know. Fireworks are beautiful. Oh, that's so nice. Why does this video only have 68,000 views? I really don't understand that. Like, it deserves more. Oh, that was so beautiful. Thank you so much, Tillybirds. It's so nice. Oh, friends, wasn't that beautiful? And like, I'm pretty sure like, wasn't there supposed to be like an English album coming out? Like, I remember rumors about it like a year and a half ago. Like, you still doing that? Like, can you let me know? Can you send me one? And friends, as usual, the comment section's yours. Let me know how much you love Tillybirds. Let me know how much you love me, you know. Most importantly, friends, as I always say, make sure you keep smiling, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Won't be too far away. Kapon klap, loud again. Bye!